My name is Hago.
You're married?
No.
Ay, hindi pala naka-record. Ulit. Ayan. Nag-ano na sila, naglalagay na.
Nagtampo na ako.
Hello, good morning.
Ito our boss. Chai lang.
Say hi to your family in India. They will watch this one.
You will become famous. Say hi.
Say hi. In your language.
Gatsina.
Yan. Ito na naman yung kulay.
Boros pa rin.
Kulak lang natin.
Boros.
Check it out.
Hi.
Hi vlog.
Sunod-sunod lang. Yes, guys, shout out sa inyo lahat. Ayan, ito yung gagamitin natin guys. Tingnan niya naman, napakadali. Ayan. Shout out. Good morning.
Jump. Go there and take the view of
Ikando, when Ikando. Ayan, pinagbuhat.
Return natin. Two pieces. Mabigat.
Mabaho. Shout out everyone. Ito po.
Nalaglag po. Wow.
Masarap, di ba?
Nakakatapilok tong ano.
Oo.
Army.
Ito ng lalaki.
Mayiksing buhok. Mayiksing buhok.
Fresh naman ni Basti.
Shout out
Kaya
guys.
pa? Kaya pa? Salita ka naman. Hindi ka salita sa vlog.
Guys, you bring this?
Where did you take the sandwich?
Gusto mo ron.
It itchy. Huli-huli sa camera, nagkakamot ng puwet.
Ito po yung mga
Bornecalia City.
ito po yung mga buhok sa ano.
Say hi to your family.
What family?
They will watch this. Tell them that you are in the YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes.
Send me YouTube. I will send you.
No, even they upload it. Tell them this is your job, like this. Talk in your language.
Children in the school garden.
No, your wife.
But they don't have what?
Your wife.
300. Kasi sa 300, they will serve in the lunch time.
First the food on this one. Now it's recording. Now you become from Lebanon. Lebanese weddings. I'm from Lebanese weddings.
Jansom?
Tell them you're from Lebanese weddings.
But no lights from here. Mr. Merson, what are you doing? Every day you are eating.
You vlog, you talk.
How are you guys?
What are you doing?
I'm preparing the food.
Show me your food. What you bring today? Oh.
Video yan po?
Yeah, come.
Brother?
You talk in the vlog, Arabic. You will translate. Yeah.
I don't know how to make vlog. وفينا الإسلام. أنا نهضر مع مغربية. أوكي.
أنا زمان.
هذا زمن. ويلي. كات.
Ito yung mga Porsche.
Malakasan na yan, anak ko. Shit!
The problem is I don't know how.
Diba?
Dinadali na po ng ating katusok na si Utoy.
Shout out guys sa lahat ng mga katusok dyan. And then Baby Rose.
12. Dosi eh. Ay. Grabe, hinataw na ng hinataw yung... Ayun guys, mamaya makikita nyo kung ano yung kalalabasan ng design. Kunti lang naman yung ano. Ilang klase yung bulaklak natin, Merson?
Meron
Anim ba? Anim na klaseng kwan lang.
Safari. 6 class of flower. Yan.
Huli ka namin. Pakita mo reaction. Pakita mo.
Miss Hajar, what did you say?
It's excellent.
Ayan guys, ito na yung ating gagamitin bulaklak. Merong ano to, baby rose. Yan, baby rose.
In-stock pala nila yun Brad, 2.
Oo nga. Yung pang belt. Pero yung bulaklak, kailangan simula.
Ano ata, parang gawa ata ang tatawagin mo random.
Ha?
Gawa ata tatawagin mo random.
Fully book naman ako. Ito na yung
So ilalagay yun. Too much par.
Isa yan? Ba't ang paalisin yung standard?
Gigil na gigil, oh. Gigil na gigil. Gigil na gigil, gigil na gigil. Oh.
Ano, okay ka na dyan?
Kaya. Ikaw na, makakangawit.
Hindi.
Ilang minuto?
Ha? Koy, gang ko, please.
Yung.
Hindi ko alam. 3 minutes na to.
Okay lang po, mga 3 minutes okay na yun. Kasi 7 minutes ang kaya ng WhatsApp.
Pinas, yan, may...
Ay, ganon.
Wala palang Jerby yan.
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, hi to my vlog. Hi, say hi to your family in the Philippines.
Huwag ka na magreklamo kung mataba yung mukha mo kasi ako nga hindi nagreklamo, taba na mukha ko. Diba guys? Ayan sa top mga katusok dyan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Apples Hotel. Kasalukuyan po tayong sasampol ng ating gagawing arrangement. Hinihintay po ng mga florista. Ako naman, kaya nag-ano tayo ng phone. Ikot mo kate. Wait, pakita mo yung arrangement.
Cut mo yun, ha? Hindi mo rin yung videographer.
What? Ganun yun. Yan. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Mga katusok. Tayo ulit. Sa ating pakikipagsapalaran sa Buhay Forest. Ganito po kabusisi yan. May tutorial yan para kailangan lagyan natin ng tape para medyo matibay para pag binuhat hindi matanggal. Nalagyan natin ng tape yan. Dito nila itutusok yung bulaklak mamaya mga katusok. Okay? See you sa ating mga susunod na vlog. Shout out guys. Again, take care. Saan kayo naroon. God bless. Ang inamis. Pasok tayo guys sa binyo. Ayan, tingnan natin kung tapos na sila. Tayo sa ano, ang ganda ng ano design. Ayan, dito natin lalagay yung mga table mamaya. Okay,
Wait, go.
yes,
What's your name?
Flower Master Vlog.
Okay, how many followers do you have?
I have almost 10,000 followers.
Famous, guys. Follow him.
And unfollow after. And unfollow after.
He don't have kids.
I don't.
Not married, no kids daw.
Come, come, Idris.
Ay, 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 ay.
We need interview. Interview.
Yes.
Can you meet us one more? What's your name?
My name is Hago.
Oh, you are... You're married?
No,
You're not married. You have kids?
I'm underage.
Underage. What's your position here?
I don't know. Just to see what the people
Control, quality control?
No, no. Just to see the people of the world are doing.
On the other way. Where are you from?
It's your kabayan. Your kabayan.
This one from Philippines.
So, Dan,
Harap.